Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rules. Deal 5 cards one at a time, face down, starting with the player to the dealer's left. Place the rest of the cards face down in the center of the table, then turn the first card up and place it beside the face down pile. If an 8 is turned, it is buried in the middle of the pack and the next card is turned.
Take our lead.
Learn the 4 suits. Spades and clubs are black. Hearts and diamonds are red. Left to right. Spade, heart, club, diamond. Spades suit ace to deuce. Hearts suit ace to deuce. Clubs suit ace to deuce. Diamonds suit ace to deuce.
Let's help you make your mark.
War may be the easiest card game around, which makes it great for playing with kids. However, since it moves quickly, it doesn't get boring like other kids' card games. Spit is a fast-paced, easy card game for 2 players. Garbage is a great card game for 2 or more. You'll want to use an additional deck for 4 players. The 3rd of April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.